What's up guys, welcome to a keto kitchen video. Not cooking today, just preparing. We're going to try to make tuna wraps with lettuce. So I've seen this about, I'm not sure the technique, I've not actually watched any videos on it, so I'm going to wing it and you're going to come along with me. So let's get started. Right, so I'm going to do it on this surface, so first thing we've got to do is open our cans of tuna. Oh, this came in a multi-pack and the bottom one looks like a cat food lid for some reason. So the cat's probably going to come running when it smells this anyway. Go. Just drain out the excess. Brine water, which these ones are in. By choice I usually get the ones in sunflower oil, much better flavour. It's not for you, cat. It's not for you. I have the cat crying all the way through this because the smell of tuna. Because I'm soft, I'm going to give her some. Into said fish we are going to put some parsley. And what we're going to use is this pesto mayonnaise we found. It's a lot less carbs than any other mayonnaise that I've found. It's 7.5 grams per 100 ml. It's a 200 ml bottle. We're not using the whole bottle. Yeah, you're going to use quite a bit. So I reckon we'll base it on 100 ml, but it's less than that. Maybe you should have got a bigger bowl. Now, we picked the lettuce based on what we could see the leaf size being like. What we're going to do, just take a knife, cut it at the stalk here. A little circle. Should stop that snapping. Try. See, that's come off. That's the first layer, so it's usually quite weak anyway. I'm going to try and get this off in one layer if we can. As little breakage as possible. Like that. So we'll see if we can get a few of them. So we've got 4 leaves there. I'm going to rinse them off. I think the best way is to try and curl it with the natural curve of the lettuce. Take some of that. Oh, that's a big chunk. Make a little, it's probably going to end up more as a parcel. Turn them in. It's definitely spilling out the side. What if we trim the top off there? Okay. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. It's dripping a bit. It's still wet from being rinsed. See if we can improve that. That's one. That looks a bit better. I'm going to trim the top off that one. Well, these are going to be messy to eat. I can see that coming. Oh, look at that. That's the best one yet. This, when it's softer, this leafy side seems to wrap much better. Maybe there's something you can do to the lettuce to let it go like that a bit. Or maybe a different type of lettuce. That was definitely messy, and it came out not too bad. Some came out different shapes. That looks like a lot more lettuce than tuna in that one. Some of them are falling to bits. But yeah, generally when you get a decent wrap, you get a decent filling. So oh, the pesto mayo makes it. Drop down the back. Yeah, these aren't going to be clean to eat. These are dripping all over. I'd call that a little win. Not something I'd present to guests maybe, but something you can definitely eat as a good lunchtime meal. Technique's not brilliant, I'll definitely give you that, but if you liked it, if you want to try it yourself, if you've got any better ideas of how I can do it, then please comment below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and the little bell notifications so you can see when the next video is coming. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.